Chapter 7. Internet. Introduction. The Internet is an increasingly important part of everyday life for people around the world. It is the large group of computers connected to each other anywhere with cables or devices to send information quickly between computers and share information. The Internet is a great way to find and exchange information, talk to friends, and have fun. Internet. Internet has been perhaps the most outstanding innovation in the field of communication in the history of mankind. Internet is the world's largest computer network, the network of networks. It is a worldwide broadcasting platform that connects people and resources around the world. The Internet may be defined as a global collection of computers linked together by telephone lines or satellite links. It is an effective and inexpensive way of communication. The Internet is therefore a giant global network. Note: Internet means international network. Did you know? A computer network consists of more than two computers that are linked through wires or without wires in order to share resources, that is printers and scanners, information, exchange files, or allow electronic communications between them. Uses of Internet. The key to success of Internet is the information. Some of the uses of Internet are given below. Internet can be used to collect information from anywhere in the world. It has made it easy for anyone to access any type of information. You can get any type of educational support by using Internet. You can purchase various items such as shoes, gifts, clothes, etc. through Internet. All the newspapers, magazines and journals of the world are available on the Internet, and you can buy e-books and read online. Did you know? The foundation of the Internet began in 1969 when the US Department of Defense created ARPANET, a project to allow military personnel to communicate with each other in an emergency. You can also connect and communicate with old friends on social networking sites. You can find all forms of entertainment on the Internet, like watching movies, listening to music, and can also play games online. Internet is also used for carrying out business operations known as electronic commerce, e-commerce, buy or sell airline or railway or movie tickets, perform banking operations, etc. Check exam results. Advantages and disadvantages of Internet. Some of the advantages and disadvantages of Internet are given below. Advantages. 1. You can send or receive free mail to anyone worldwide. 2. You can search and read lots of information using powerful search engines. 3. You can buy and sell things and pay money online. 4. You can book air ticket, railway ticket, bus ticket at home or office. 5. You can play games, watch movies, cartoons or listen to songs online. Disadvantages. 1. There is a lot of wrong information on the Internet. 2. There are lots of viruses on Internet that can delete and damage your computer and files. 3. Hackers can use the Internet for information and identity theft. Internet terms. A web page is a document on the Internet. It includes various types of content such as text, images, video, animation and sound, and links to other pages. Each page has a unique address known as a URL, Uniform Resource Locator, that identifies its location. Website. A website is a collection of web pages that are linked together in various ways to display information in the form of a book. The first page of a website is called the home page. Web browser. Web browser is an application software that allows you to view web pages and access all the information available on the web. You can visit any website by entering its URL in the address bar. Browsers make it very easy to move from one website to another. You can normally open your web browser from a shortcut on your desktop. Examples: Microsoft Edge, Internet Explorer, Opera, Google Chrome, Firefox, etc. Did you know? Google is the most powerful search engine in the world. Some popular websites are Google, YouTube, Facebook, Yahoo, Baidu, etc. World Wide Web, www. The World Wide Web, www, or simply the web, is a collection of web pages that are linked and connected together like the web of a spider. World Wide Web uses hypertext over the internet. The linked documents may be located at different internet sites. URL. Each website is identified by its unique address, which is known as URL. It stands for Uniform Resource Locator. It is used to specify addresses on the www. It also indicates where the web page is stored on the internet. Examples: www.google.com, www.youtube.com, etc. Microsoft Edge. Windows 10 includes a new web browser called Edge, which is installed by default on all new Windows computers, including laptops, tablets, and smartphones. It replaces Internet Explorer as the first app that is automatically pinned to the taskbar. Microsoft Edge is faster, more secure, and more compliant web browser with common web standards as compared to Internet Explorer. How to open Internet. To open the Microsoft Edge, double-click on the icon present on the desktop or click on Start button. Go to Microsoft Edge. Microsoft Edge will open and display a website. Parts of Microsoft Edge window. Some of the main components of Microsoft Edge are given below: Refresh button, Back button, Forward button, Tab, Favorites button, Windows Basic button, Web address bar. Back or forward buttons. The back and forward buttons look like arrows, each surrounded by a circle. They are located on the top left corner of the Microsoft Edge window. Back button allows you to navigate back to a page that you have viewed previously. Forward button returns to sites that you viewed before you used the back button. Refresh button. Refresh button allows you to reload a web page. Clicking this button corrects errors such as images or text boxes that are not loaded completely. Address bar. Address bar is present just after the forward button. It is also called the Universal Resource Locator, URL bar. It serves as both a search box and address box. To visit a website, you need to put its address into the address bar. Address bar has a search button that allows us to perform a search on the World Wide Web by entering your search criteria. Typing a URL into the address bar and pressing enter takes you directly to the website. Microsoft Edge Window Basic buttons. Windows Basic buttons are present at the top right corner of any Microsoft Edge. These are: Minimize button. It is used to reduce the current window. The window gets shrinked to the taskbar after clicking this button. Maximize button. It is used to increase the size of the window to its maximum. Restore button. It is used to resize the window back to its original size and also back to its previous size. Close button. It is used to close the window. Tabs. Tabs allow you to open multiple web pages at the same time. Favorites button. Favorites button brings up a drop-down menu displaying a list of web pages that you have marked as favorites. When you save an address as a favorite, your browser stores the URL along with its site or page name, so you can access it again with a single click. Search engine. Search engine allows you to search information on the World Wide Web, www. The search results are usually presented in a list of results often referred to as search engine results pages. The information may consist of web pages, images, videos, information, and other online data. Examples: Google, Yahoo, Bing, Kidrex, etc. Did you know? Google and Firefox are the most popular search engines in the world. How to use a search engine? You can search and find anything using a search engine. Follow the given steps to find out a search engine. 1. Open the browser. 2. Type address in the address bar such as www.google.co.in. Google window page opens on the screen. 3. Type computer in the search box. 4. Click on Google search button or press the enter key. You will get many links on computer. Now, you can use any of the links. You can also find and search any information about books, e-books, images, games, cartoons, videos, etc. on internet through the search engine. In a nutshell, 1. The internet may be defined as a global collection of computers linked together by telephone lines or satellite links. 2. A web page is a document on the internet. 3. A website is a collection of web pages that are linked together. 4. Web browser is an application software that allows you to view web pages and access all the information available on the web. 5. The World Wide Web, www, or simply the web, is a collection of web pages that are linked and connected together like the web of a spider. 6. URL stands for Uniform Resource Locator and is used to specify addresses on the World Wide Web. 7. Microsoft Edge is faster, more secure and more compliant web browser with common web standards as compared to Internet Explorer. It allows you to view web pages on the internet. 8. Search engine allows you to search information on the World Wide Web, www. 1. Fill in